Gold against US dollar this week has risen in value, and we can see a pretty strong rise has happened from area of support here at 3207. The week started with this small bullish candle, and we can see the final bullish breakout has been formed on a Tuesday. We can see a strong bullish candle that has gone above the small resistance level and also the daily resistance level above 3272.61. After that, the price continued to rise in value. We can see that small bullish candle, and then the price returned back down, but also trying to move higher, reaching very close an area around this area of supply zone at around 3353.67. Finally, on the Friday, the price has found enough strength to push the price even higher, and it has reached this area of resistance where the price currently is. All these analyses I have shared during the week. Each day I share the details and also what are the potential breakouts and also what are the targets during the day. So feel free to check each day, subscribe so you can receive the updates when I publish them. Weekly time frame currently shows me it is a bullish week, which is also a bullish breakout. We can see that a small one above this area of resistance where several weeks the price could not manage to make a bullish breakout. This is just an indication of the further rise in value, a bullish momentum. Monthly time frame shows me that we are currently in the bullish month. We have seen in the previous week that it was a small bearish oriented, but currently the price has returned back up and it is trying to move higher to reach higher price levels. So this week, the next week, which is also the last week in this month, I am expecting that the price will rise in value. So the weekly time frame shows me a bullish breakout, the daily shows me a very close bullish breakout, but we will see on the Monday how the price is behaving, and the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame will also show this information. Now on this 4-hour time frame we can see it is a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, which is also a daily resistance, and currently this area of resistance has been confirmed as the next support because this candle has not returned back down. Now we can see we need to wait until the Monday opens, because when the Monday opens there is a potential that the price opens with a gap. So it's very important to pay attention that on a Friday during the end of the day to close all trades, just to be on the safe side, because the price, even though the price has gone above and it is potentially going in your way, there is a potential that the price opens right here and close your trade if you have stop loss right here below this area of bullish breakout candle. This could also happen, but that it's very important to avoid having the trades left open at least over the weekend, at least if there is a stop loss very close to the current market price. Now what I'm expecting from this area, we can see it is a bullish breakout on the 4-hour time frame. It is a daily at the resistance level. It is a weekly showing me a small bullish breakout happen, and the 1-hour time frame we can see it is currently at the support level. So most of the signals, what I can see on the different time frames, are showing there is a high potential that the price goes above, where the next target is 3385.07. We can see that it will be a confluence of resistance, because we have here a trend line and we have here a resistance that are resistance levels, and this creates an area with confluence of resistance. So I will pay attention to that, and also remember to join the premium analysis where you get information when this bullish or bearish breakout happens, what is the target. Feel free to check that inside description, because there is a link so you can join also the other traders where there are a dozen of them to receive the updates when the breakout happens. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.